Hi children. Yes. In our last class, I told you something. Do you know what it was, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rohit was very excited. He was very curious to know about the specialty of the karate kitchen. He wanted to know what could the karate kitchen do. So he asked the shopkeeper, "What does it do?" He said, the shopkeeper said, "This karate kitchen does karate." Karate? Rohit and Janaki shouted at once. They were very surprised. They were very shocked, weren't they? What happened then? The shopkeeper, he placed an old chair in the middle of the shop, and he brought a small cat, which was white and cute, wasn't it? Janaki and Rohit, they were eagerly looking at the cat. They were eagerly looking at the kitchen. Then what to do? The shopkeeper said, "Kitchen, karate chair." When he told the kitchen to karate chair, you know what happened? The kitchen jumped onto the chair with vigor and marched upside, and in no time the chair was broken into pieces. The kitchen broke the chair into pieces, didn't it? Rohit was really happy and he jumped with joy. Wow, what a wonderful kitchen! He was very happy. So even Janaki was also very happy on seeing that. So Janaki paid for the kitchen. Janaki gave money to the shopkeeper and they took the kitchen and they started going their home. We discussed after this part, didn't we? Now, I'll tell you what happened after that. Okay, children? You see, Janaki and Rohit, after reaching their home, what happened? They made the karate kitchen smash all the old things, old boxes. We say there are some useless articles in our home. For example, I show you like this. This is a weighing machine. Now, do you think it works? Do you think it works? No, it is not. It is not working now. It doesn't work. So we say it is a useless thing. It is a
Useless thing.
Is it useful for us now?
No.
It is useless. So what do we do? If it doesn't work, if it is not useful for us, we say it is a useless thing. Isn't it? So what happened? When Janaki and Rohit reached their home, they made karate kitchen, smashed all old boxes and crockery material and useless articles. Understood? Useless articles. Which means, useless means those are the articles, those are the things that are not useful for us. Understood? They are called useless. For example, see, this is a chalk. Do you think it is useful for us?
No.
Don't you think it is useful? It is useful because we use the chalk to write something on the blackboard. So it is useful. This pen also is useful. Understood? If we use a phone, the phone also is useful. Likewise, the things that work are useful, but some things they don't work. So we call them useless things. Understood? So Janaki and Rohit made the karate kitchen smash all the old things and the useless articles. Rohit was very excited. Already they made everything ready. Rohit was very excited and waiting for his father. He was curious. You know what's curious? You know what curious is? For example, if your father comes from a village, if he brings something in his bag for you, I think you will be very curious to see what is inside the bag. Oh, something is inside the bag. What could it be? about the Karate Kitten. To tell him about the Karate Kitten. Do you think Rajaram knew about the Karate Kitten? No, he didn't know. He was not aware of the Karate Kitten. Younger side, look at me. Do you think Rajaram really knew about the Karate Kitten? No. He didn't know. For that, Rohit was curious to tell his father Rajaram about the Karate Kitten that they brought. They brought the Karate Kitten to their home. Understood? He was very happy. Rohit was really curious and happy and excited because he wanted to show the kitten to his father. He wanted to make his father surprised. Understood? Then Rohit was very happy and started singing a song. Do you know what the song is, children? Do you know? You don't know, but now I am going to let you know and do the action. I let you dance for the song. Are you all ready? Are you all ready to do that? Come stand up, children. Come forward, pick up the coins. Pick the coins up. Put them inside your dress. I told you not to bring money along with you when you come to school. Okay, come forward. Yes. Here, this song is given, children. Now I am going to sing while doing the action. You also do dance along with me. Are you all ready, children? Just you come out, how would you dance if you are in between the bench? Ready? Ready? Be active, children. Before doing the action, before doing dance, before dancing for the song, you have to be very happy because we are enjoying our class. Are you enjoying our class? Let me know something very clearly whether you enjoy my class or not. Ready? If you enjoy my class, be happy in my class. Okay. Don't ever feel bored out. Okay. Now I do the action to along with me. Karate Kitten jumps here and there, beating things everywhere. Karate Kitten bounces here and there, kicking things everywhere. Karate Kitten hops here and there, crushing things everywhere. Karate Kitten stamps here and there, smashing things everywhere. This was the song what Rohit keeps singing. What Rohit kept singing. Do you really like this song, children? So he observed the kitten, how the kitten was doing. The kitten was doing, it was smashing everything, finished, everything completed. It was smashing everything. So he was very happy and he wanted to make his father surprised by showing the Karate Kitten. Understood? So, do you think his father Rajaram could be very happy and seeing the Karate Kitten? Do you think his father, Rohit's father, Rajaram, could really be very happy and seeing the Karate Kitten? Do you think he could be happy? Yes. Actually, Rohit wanted to make his father happy. He wanted to make him surprised by showing the Karate Kitten what they brought to their home. But do you really think he could be very happy and seeing the Karate Kitten? Yes. Whether his father felt very happy or not, let's discuss this part in our next class. Okay, children? Are you all happy with my class?